We got snowed in, and some amazing angel plowed the path where I walk. We got like a good close to a foot of snow. I'm so grateful because I was going a little crazy being snowed in for like a day. I couldn't like get out. Now I can go enjoy a winter walk in the snow, this beautiful white blanket, getting tapped in to being the source, being connected to all that is, connected to the earth, connected to the trees. Get out there, enjoy this winter wonderland. So pretty. Well, the whole thing isn't plowed. I've been walking through it. It has this icy sort of top, but not enough to hold me up. It is a freaking workout walking through snow. If you don't have snowshoes, it's still glorious, just to get outside and enjoy it. It's your life, every second.